Hello, welcome to a video on how to deal with foreign currencies in the ProLedger online bookkeeping program. In this video, we're going to talk about creating and managing entries that have foreign currencies involved. And of course, these days with lots of online purchasing, more and more situations involve foreign currency. And we're going to talk about how to do that in this short video in the program. All right, so here's our bookkeeping file in the online ProLedger program. And what you're going to notice is when you're making an entry with foreign currency, you just make an entry like you would normally, except in the rec field, you simply choose foreign as the item in the rec field. And I'll just finish this entry. So let's say you bought some online promo and it was, let's say, $100. Didn't have to deal with any tax. And so we just simply, and that's on March 24th. So we submit that. So anyway, we're done. Now, when you look at that entry, March 24th, let's go sort by rec. And you can see all the foreign currency entries that I have. They kind of just filter to the top when I sort by the rec field here. And here's the entry, and I got some other ones here. And you can see I got them in there. Now, the thing is, though, once you get your MasterCard statement or your bank statement or your Visa card, the statement itself, you can see how MasterCard or Visa converted that foreign currency maybe into your local currency. And when you get the statement, then that point in time, you can simply go back to the entry that we made, and you could just simply update the value. So if it was now $132 instead of $100 in your local currency, whatever's showing on your MasterCard statement, you could show it. And then you could put in here a note in the description field that the statement was 100 in foreign currency. Whatever you want to say, give it the currency name if you like, and then at least you can refer back to that later and say, yeah, okay, that's why the invoice doesn't match. If I attach the invoice and it shows it in $100 of foreign currency, but I'm putting in 132 as the entry amount, it's nice to have the notation there. So that's really all there's to it. And once you've done that, you can say, yeah, I'm done reconciling this entry, and you choose save, and you've dealt with it. Now, another situation might be where you actually have a foreign currency bank account and you're paying foreign currency dollars, but you still want to claim it in your local currency when it comes to tax time or for your financial statements. In that case, you need to go to your local government website, for example. Like here's one from the IRS, and Canada Revenue has the same kind of thing, as well as other countries, and find out from them what's the yearly average exchange rate for converting from one currency to another. So if this is the IRS and you were dealing with a Canadian dollar currency, you can, at the end of the year, you could just simply use this as an average to take all the foreign currency entries and update them based on what they're allowing for you in terms of currency exchange rates. So anyway, that's another way to deal with it. And but nonetheless, whatever method you decide, you simply open the entry up, make the change as you wish, adjust the rec field so that now that it's done, so it's no longer showing foreign currency, and save it. And if you want to see all your foreign currency entries together, you just filter with the rec arrow up and down, and you can see them all grouped together nicely, and you'll be able to deal with them very efficiently. Well, thanks for tuning in. I hope that helps you.